I'm Gregg Johnson. I'm out of Grand Forks, North Dakota. Work with Jerry Moberg at DCS. His main office out of Perham, Minnesota. Kind of sell to retailers in the eastern third of North Dakota is my responsibility, I guess. Well, I think one of the big problems we had when I initially started selling this about 5 years ago is we do a lot of in-furrow fertilizer, and we use this as the trials came out showing that we could potentially use less and then introduce less salts back into the soil by adding some Nano CS at the time, and now it's Nano N plus we're using for that. But yeah, we're able to get the same results or better with potentially less cost to the growers. So. Well, there really is nothing like Nano-Yield products on the market. The first thing I tend to do, or the first time I do with both growers and now retailers, is make sure they understand the 101, the Nano 101, how the technology works, the endocytosis, the increased uptake, and there is nothing else because of that on the market that does what the Nano-Yield products can do. So that's the exciting thing about the whole product line to us, I guess. So on the NanoPro side, we've seen we had a potato growers this year that used NanoPro with their Colorado potato beetle pesticides and saw results with those like they haven't seen in years, honestly. And we see increased performance killing hard to kill weeds with the NanoPro. On the Nano N plus side, we're seeing increased yields, which are, obviously in this economic times, this is exactly what the growers need, more bushels in the bin, so to speak. I mean, we get in the habit of doing the same thing and you do the same thing and expect different results, as we all know, it doesn't work out so hot. So this is something that can take you to the next level on both yields and honestly, I think more and more we need to think about the environmental things, protecting the groundwater, protecting the environment, and we can do that with these nano products. The benefit to being at NanoCon is networking with like-minded leaders in the marketplace, people that like to be the trusted advisor to their growers or customers, and just network with them, and it's interesting to visit with them. And of course, Nano-Yield brings new data, new research every year that I'm sure we're going to see here shortly, and that's exciting because that's what the growers want to see, is proof in the pudding, so to speak.